Alright, these will be the elevators here at the Hampton Inn in Bartow, Florida. And we have the Schindler 330As to ride. Go up to 4. Okay, these things sound absolutely wonderful. Now the 1 and 1 hour is locked. And as we all know, for a 330A, door close does not work. We are back at 1. Can we open the rear door? Nope. Actually, we'll send this car to the 4th floor. I'll try to get the other one. You going up, sir?
No.
Nope. Alright. Okay, anytime. Oops, sorry. And there goes that elevator. We'll try and get the other one. I'm just doing a video with the elevators, that's all.
Something wrong with them?
Pardon?
Something wrong with them?
No, I just do a video for YouTube. I'm interested in elevators. Looks like this car's coming down. And here's the left car. We're back at 4. I guess just for the heck of it, we'll see if there's a good view or not. And I think the best view might be down here. Yep, I think this view is actually the better of the two, or sidewise. You got a Wendy's there, Waffle House, KFC, a Holiday Inn Express out in the distance. Parking lot, got a McDonald's. And that road there, I don't know if you can see with all the cars, but that road there is US Route 98. Not gonna bother going to the other side since that view isn't anything exciting. So I guess we'll go back down the elevator and end the video. I did look on the other side, it wasn't anything exciting. Anyways, here we are at the bank of elevators. We lost our elevator. I think it's check-in time, so these elevators might be a little busy. And there's your ice machine. Your fire escape plan. We got 2 call stations, 1 on each elevator. And we got our elevator back. Alright, we're on the first floor. And like I said, for 330A's, door close does not work. Here we go down to 1. Watch phone go out. It's hard to see the buttons, the lights are kind of bright. Alright.
Oh, I got it.
Sorry, sir, you got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Yep, there you go. Overall, not the most exciting elevators, but they're Schindlers, they're Schindler 330As. And there it goes. And that will be it for these elevators.